Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
Select the student record. Navigate to the future forms. Select the forms you wish to print. Click the Print Selected button. Check the box Print Draft Watermark. Click the green Print button. Navigate to the print job icon on the dashboard. Click the print icon. Click on the IEP Forms for Student Name hyperlink.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss further updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.